Do you remember the nursery rhyme Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Yes, you remember. You may also have thought of these stars and had numerous questions in your mind, such as how many stars are there in the sky? How did they come into existence? Can anyone reach the end of the sky? Yes, so many more such questions are still there in your mind. Through this video, I will clear it. I will learn how these twinkle little stars were formed. Hello everyone, here is your mentor Gairika and you are watching Digital Education with Gairika. Today I will discuss about the classical theories behind the origin of the earth. So let's get started with that. There are so many hypotheses were put forth by different philosophers and scientists regarding the origin of earth. We divided those hypotheses and those theories into two parts. One is the classical theories and early theories, and second one is the modern theories. The all classical theories were put forth by different philosophers and scientists like Immanuel Kant, P.S. Laplace, Chamberlain Moulton, James Jeffreys, Otto Smith and Carl Schweitzer. And the very popular argument regarding the origin of earth is the Big Bang theory, which is our modern theory. But our modern philosophers, modern scientists does not accept the early theories. But the early theories was very important for development of the modern theories. It gives some idea for those theories. So all early hypotheses help to introduce our modern theories. So the one of the most earlier and popular hypothesis was nebular hypothesis. But remember, it was just a hypothesis, an assumption, not theory. Okay? So, one of the most earlier and popular argument which was given by a great German philosopher Immanuel Kant in 1755 was nebular hypothesis. After that, a great mathematician P.S. Laplace in 1796 revised this hypothesis. They introduced a new term which is nebula. Nebula was a large cloud of gas like helium and hydrogen and dust particle. This hypothesis considered that the planets were formed out of this nebula. Over the periods of time, the nebula was rotating. Through this rotational process, the gas and the dust particles accumulated. And its rotating caused by the gravity of the sun. The all particle rotated around the sun through its gravity. And nowadays, those rotating particles become all planets. So, this hypothesis said that our planets and our sun are formed out of this cloud, this nebula. It stated that a large cloud of gases and dust, which is nebula, collapsed under its own gravity to form our sun and planets. So, it's clear, it's very easy. After that, in 1904, Chamberlain and Moulton considered that a wandering star approached the sun. They talking about a wandering star, which one is posed near to the primitive sun and a cigar-shaped material from primitive sun curved out. When the passing star moved away, material separated from the primitive sun and continuously revolved around the sun. The separated material slowly condensed into planets and Earth and other planets were originated. And this theory is called planetesimal theory. After this planetesimal theory, in 1917, Sir James Jeans and later Sir Harold Jeffrey supported this argument. And they also introduced a new hypothesis which is tidal hypothesis. They also said about the intruding star which was constantly moving closer to the primitive sun and a gravitational force which pulls out exerting a gaseous tidal force on its surface. As a result, there was created on the outer surface of the primitive sun and ultimate huge masses of matter which cigar-shaped got ejected from the primitive sun, and this cigar-shaped is called filament, which named given by Jeans to the cigar-shaped matter, which later become the building materials of future planets. And those hypotheses, the tidal hypothesis by Jeans-Jeffreys and the planetesimal hypothesis by Chamberlain and Moulton, these hypotheses, these arguments are called binary theories. Why it's binary? Because nebular hypothesis said that the origin of the earth, there was only responsible for our sun, but those theories, those tidal hypothesis and planetesimal theories said not only the sun, there is also responsible for a wandering star. So these arguments are called the binary theories. After that, in 1950, Russian astronomer Otto Smith and German astronomer Carl Wiejska revised the nebular hypothesis. According to nebular hypothesis, the sun was surrounded by the solar nebula comprising primarily hydrogen, helium as well as dust. But those astronomers said that there were formed a disc-shaped cloud which is caused by the friction and collision of the particle, and the planet were formed through the process of accretion. Accretion means the layering from the sun. So here is the all classical theories, the all early theories about origin of the earth. In the next video, I will discuss about the Big Bang theory, the modern theory. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.